What is up, party people? We're going to be redesigning a little bit of a previous design that we've done before. This one is going to be a lot of fun. Hopefully it'll be pretty straightforward tonight. Going to be making some minor adjustments to a previous design, and we'll see how it goes. Kind of looking forward to it. I found that the last few live streamings I've done, all my stuff got flagged. I'm not sure why. Did I have a background in this prior? No, I did not have a background in this. No, I'm not an engineer. I have no knowledge really of CAD software. Tinkercad is the first thing I've ever heard of that was this user-friendly. So tonight's goal is for me to take these things and angle them backwards a little bit so that when cards sit in this slot here, it will sit a little bit better. I've got the Wii theme song stuck in my head. That little do 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 do. Okay, I'll let that out of here for just a moment. And then I'll be able to go top down. I want to see what this does just by angling it back. A mere cheesy. Nope, see, I knew it would do something dumb. I think I have an idea. Okay, the one thing I will say I don't like about Tinkercad is if you don't grab things just right, it will be problematic. Let's make this. Let's go 58 mil. Cool. I just made it 2 millimeters taller. I want to bring this down by 2 millimeters. And it was brought down here. It was indicating that I brought it below the printing plane by 2 millimeters there, so that's good. Extended by 2, lowered by 2. And the reason I did that is because if I go on an angle, I'm going to have to specifically select or individually select each piece here. So to do that, I'm going to start by going like this. I do want to separate it from that a little bit. And I'm going to have to do this the hard way. Yeah, so each of these different things I'm going to have to separately do by that certain degree. And what degree was that? I believe I did 10. These intersecting lines are not the prettiest, but they work for the most part. Okay, so this is another prototype. I'm going to print this, see how it goes, get some more feedback from my wife's grandmother, and that'll be that. It's the next morning, and I've let this thing print overnight just so I could sleep. It was only like a 4.5 hour print, which is not bad for something that size. Let's go ahead and take it off the build plate and see what we got. Woo, listen to that. That's like super fun. Ooh yeah, baby. That's super cool. This is the newest iteration of the card holder. There are a few lines in there from the design being a little bit funky, but this will still work nonetheless. I'm going to take off the supports and we'll go from there. Well, beyond a couple flaws in my design, I will say that this turned out pretty well. These little thin lines that are here were problematic, mostly on Tinkercad, because the pieces were not blending together, and that was more my fault. I just didn't feel like taking the extra time to put everything together. So it printed a little weird, and I just broke a little piece off as I was removing the supports. But functionally speaking, this should be okay for the most part. And once I get some cards in here, I'll see how it goes and see about the angling. And that was pretty much the reason I changed this design. I will be printing another one before too long here. But yeah, that's been that design. If you enjoyed what you guys saw here today, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to follow along for more of the journey, go ahead and hit subscribe. Love to have you guys along for that ride. And if there's anything you guys want to see printed, let me know in the comments. I'd love to print some stuff for you guys just to see what we can do. We'll see you in the next one.